Welcome into this class. In this class, I want to show you how you can save the online articles you find useful, how you can save them, leveraging on computer assistant qualitative data analysis software, and specifically how we're using MAXQDA here. This is an article, AI in research, its uses and limitations. I've read through the articles and found it useful, but I want to have it in PDF. So what do I have to do? So copy the link. When you copy the link, launch. Yes, you can launch your MAXQDA software. This is mine. I want to import as PDF. What do I have to do? Click on import, web page via links, no, via URL. Click on this, paste the link, visit. I want to have it as PDF. You want to store it in the folder in external file. You can click on this. Can you see the result? So this is the way it is on the site. So you want to do other things, you want to analyze, you can do it. This is a contest. You can also do picture analysis. You want to. There are a lot of things you can work on it, and other further analysis you can carry out on this. This is how to use MAXQDA to save online article as PDF. So if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can hit the subscribe button, click on the bell so that you can get alert for our subsequent uploads. Thank you for watching.